Hello friends,
Hello friends.
I hope you all are doing great. Today we have Shorya with me, and Shorya, I am going to ask you few basic questions only in English. Are you ready?
Yes,
So how are you doing today?
I am doing great.
Which class do you read in?
I read in standard 3.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a scientist.
What is the color of sky?
The sky is blue.
How many hands do you have?
I have 2 hands.
Oh, that's great. Where do you live?
I live in Giridih.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
Who is the Chief Minister of Jharkhand?
Mr. Hemant Soren is the Chief Minister of Jharkhand.
Oh, thank you, Shorya. So friends, if you really want to improve your communication skill and really want to learn spoken English, please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, OP General Knowledge. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.